98?
Yes. Oh, I got it. Wow.
Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. So I'm outside with Matt today, and he is going to be flushing his heater core in his 1998 Jeep Cherokee Sport.
It's right above the. Well, I thought you were just gonna stand there filling me. I'm just gonna be like.
No.
This is just clean water, so.
To flush the heater core, disconnect both heater hoses and force water through the outlet side.
So to me it doesn't look clogged, does it?
Chunky though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Matt said what happens is people are supposed to flush their radiators every couple years to get the sediment and little rust chunks and things like that out, but most people don't, so all that stuff ends up getting caked up in the heater core and ends up ultimately blocking it so that you know, the hot water from the engine or hot radiator fluid doesn't flow through, because that's what heats the car. Hard to tell from the video, but Matt is actually squeezing the handle on the hose as hard as it will go, with the water all the way up at the faucet. It's starting to get clean, which means he's gotten a lot of the junk out of it. I wanted to clarify one thing I said earlier. When Matt said that he recommends cleaning the cooling system, there's a couple trains of thought of how you can do it. One way is with it's a pressurized flush system, and it gets high pressure and puts water all through the system and forces everything out. And the other way is just to drain the radiator and refill it.
So it's not secret.
What?
So it's different purposes.
Well, yeah, the yellow one's for like mailbox.
So one of the things that you want to really make sure you do is when you do this, you want to get all the water out of the heater core, because it can freeze. So Matt's taking compressed air and forcing that through the line, which hopefully will get rid of all the water in there. He did it already on the cold side, and now he's doing it on the hot side. Don't forget to check your coolant level and top it off if needed. So it's been about a week since Matt flushed his radiator, and I wanted to wait to post this video to give it some time to see if it actually made a difference. The day we did it, it was close to 60 degrees, so it was hard to tell. Well, today it was 6 degrees, and it's still pretty warm in the Jeep. It's not hot like a brand new vehicle, but it's not blowing out cold air either. So it's perfect to keep you warm, and it provides enough heat to defrost the window, which is exactly what he was hoping for. It's too cold to do it now, but he wants to flush the radiator one more time when the weather gets warmer. He'll probably have to wait until the spring to do that. I know this video was pretty short, but I hope it covered the basics of how to flush out a cooling system if you need to do that. I know this video was a little quick, but I hope it answered your questions about flushing a radiator, not a radiator. I know this video was a little quick, but I hope it answered all your questions about flushing a heater core. If not, drop a comment down below and I will try to answer any questions that you may have. This video is being posted a few days before Christmas in 2020, so if you celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a great holiday. If you celebrate Hanukkah or one of the other holidays that occurs this time of year, whatever you celebrate, I hope you have a great time with your family. Be healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to posting more videos next year for everyone to see. Thank you so much.